Oreo cake without oven and without Mixie. Try it out today. It is so moist, soft and so tasty. We will need a packet of Oreo biscuits. You can take whichever flavor but take 120 grams. Now separate the cream from the biscuit. Take all the biscuits in the Ziploc bag. Remove the excess air, lock it up, and then we are going to crush it into nice powder with the help of a rolling pin. Now open the Ziploc bag and take the powdered or the crushed biscuits in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar to it and 1 cup of milk and stir gently till you get a smooth paste. It should take about 2 minutes. Now add the cream which we had separated right in the beginning, you remember? Now this cream will be nicely and smoothly mixed with the batter. After it is nicely mixed, we will keep it aside, and in the meantime we are going to keep one pan on the gas stove and we are going to heat it with a small steel bowl in it. Cover it with a lid and heat it for 5 minutes. Also, we will have to line up the cake tin. Prepare it by using butter paper like so. If you don't have butter paper, you can use the wrapping paper of the butter also, like how I have shown over here. Now we come to the most important part. We add 1 teaspoon of Eno or 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it nicely. Time now to pour the batter into the prepared cake tin. Tap it gently to remove all the air bubbles. The pan has been heated for 5 minutes and now we place the cake tin on top of the steel bowl, cover it with the lid and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes on medium flame till the cake is done. Now the cake is done. We will insert 1 toothpick or even a knife. It comes out clean. Then the cake is done. Place a cake stand on top of the tin and invert it. Tap it gently so that the cake loosens up and lift up the cake tin to see the cake. Remove the butter paper from the bottom as well as the sides. Look at the cake. It is nicely cooked and just look how soft and moist it is. Now we'll have to make ganache. So we take a thick pan and we take 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder in it. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Mix everything well. Take a cup of milk and with the wire whisk, stir in. Make it into a smooth paste. Keep it on the fire, medium-low, and stir in till it becomes a smooth batter and smooth ganache is formed. Like this. Put off the fire and pour the ganache over the cake and spread it with a silicone spatula evenly. Make sure there is a plate underneath so that the ganache can trickle down and your kitchen will not be messy. So our Oreo cake with chocolate ganache is nearly ready. See how tasty it looks, and it's so easy to make. You must make it and let me know in the comment box how it turned out to be, okay? So you see, Oreo cake with chocolate ganache, so easy to make, no oven and no mixie. Simple chocolate cake which anyone can make. Hope you liked this video. Do try it out and thank you for watching.